On this episode of All Things Woodworking, we're going to explore a new tool in the shop. First, we will test the Pro Bandsaw guide as it comes out of the box. Then we'll add the 4-inch extension. Will it live up to its claim of being fast, strong, and smooth? Let's check it out. Welcome to another episode of All Things Woodworking. I'm your host, Aaron. I've provided additional information in the description. Please leave a comment on what videos you'd like to see next. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy what you see. This was the third cut I made after taking it out of the package. I was still getting used to the tool, but it is very easy to use. First, I positioned the guide about 1/4 inch in front of the blade with pressure against the wood in the fence. Next, I set the lock. Then, I was ready to feed the scrap 2x6 through the blade. Now it was time to see how the cut turned out. After converting all the fractions to a common denominator, the setup produced a board 15/64 of an inch thick. That was within plus or minus of a 1/64 of an inch. I'm not implying that the bandsaw guide will produce within plus or minus of a 1/64 of an inch, but what it did do was remove the variable of keeping the wood against the fence. In my opinion, this allows you to make a safer, faster, more accurate cut. After cutting the scrap 2x6 up, I moved on to resawing a maple billet for the guitar. I added the 4-inch extension to the guide. Notice the extension kit comes with a full 10-inch feather, so it is one continuous piece. When I purchased the Guide Pro Featherboard, I was looking for something to help with the accuracy of cuts on larger billets, much like the 14-inch maple billet shown in the video. I've made numerous cuts since the video and absolutely love the Featherboard. So yes, it lives up to its claim of being fast, strong, and smooth. I believe it also makes cuts safer since it gives you consistent pressure to the workpiece. That is one less thing you have to worry about when making cuts. If you're looking for more information or purchasing the Guide Pro, I've included a link in the video description below. Thank you for joining us on this episode of All Things Woodworking. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed what you've seen.